Hey friends, my name is Gabrielle and welcome to FrumiousReads, and I'm at Phoenix Comic-Con with
Matthew Wolf, the author of the Ronin Saga.
Yes, he is the author of the Ronin Saga, and we have been running into him at basically every convention that we've gone to. So we finally had a chance to sit down and talk, and you can tell the audience a little bit about the Ronin Saga.
Gladly. So the book is basically about these 9 heroes called the Ronin, who wield the elements of wind, water, fire, stone, even flesh and metal. And according to what Gray's heard his whole life, he's 17, he's the one facing off against the dragons in the background.
I just got to that part.
Yeah.
He turns into Gray, yes.
He turns into Gray, we hear into Gray. So his whole life he's heard about the Ronin. They were these great heroes that everyone looked up to. And the guardian of the city of water, and fire, and stone. And even the warriors of flesh and metal. These 9 elements. And they protected the lands. If anything went awry, these 9 warriors would unite together and divvy out justice. They would come together as these awesome powers and like take out a bad king, or level an army with their supreme powers of theirs. And what happened is that they did a really good job. According to the stories, according to the bard's tales, they turned. One of their blades was taken, and these great heroes that everyone looked up to became devastated and destroyed the lands. So now, 1,000 years later, they're just this whispered legend. So now Gray's 17, he's read the stories, he's been in the inns when this tale has been told. And he walks outside and he runs into the legends. He sees the Ronin of water, a fire, a stone, these heroes, and as he's confronted with them, he finds this element of wind churning inside of him.
Yeah, he's like, it's got all the different elements, and it's got, how would you describe it? What is a mix of all, if you could describe it as a mix between 2 books, what would you say?
The best of the books. Let's see. What's ever top selling? Just kidding. It's Lord of the Rings. In world and scale. And I say that just kind of put the idea of Middle Earth in people's minds. But the world of far invades the world. Meets, I would say, Knights of the Round Table.
If you guys are interested, I'll leave links in the description below. And now we're going to do a quick challenge because I don't want to take up too much time.
No, I like this. Good.
So, we are doing the Infinity Book Challenge. Now, what you do for this is I will have a timer on my phone going for 1 minute. In that minute, you have a chance to list as many books as possible. And however many you list, I'm going to have to try and beat in the next minute.
Oh, I like that.
So it's a competition. And whoever wins gets Infinity Brownie points.
Infinity Brownie, I like a lot of it.
Alright, so we are going to start. I'll put it right here so you can see. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so Robert Jordan, Wheel of Time, Sword of Truth, Brent Weeks, the Night Angel trilogy, Black Prism, naming trilogies and stuff like that. Lightbringer series, Dresden Files. Let's get classic. Let's do. All right. So we got Harper Lee. We got To Kill a Mockingbird. We got the Iliad. We got the Odyssey. Let's go a little more modern. We got.
It's hard on the spot.
I know it's hard on the spot. I know so many books, but we got Dragonlance, the series Dragonlance. We got Dristo Erden, the Forgotten Realms series. We got the Ronin Saga.
I was wondering when that was coming up.
We got. Oh man, there's just so many darn books out there. We got the Blood Song trilogy. That's amazing. We got Sword of Truth. We've got. I might have said that already. We've got.
5 seconds.
Oh no. God, I've read too many books. I can't even. It's hard.
That's okay. That's a good way to end it. So, the number he got is. Yay!
Do I get dealt bonus points for Dragon series?
Yes, that was a pretty good series,
really?
Run that you had.
Yeah, because I think that's I've only read the series.
That's pretty good. I know, series are the best way to go with that challenge. Yeah. So, I will go for 1 minute.
I feel like you're gonna kill this.
No. Okay, I'm gonna go Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Chamber of Secrets, Prisoner of Azkaban, Goblet of Fire. There's a 6th book whose name I can't remember at this exact moment. Half-Blood Prince and Deathly Hallows. And then I will go classics. So The Outsiders. No, I can't say that. No, dang it. What's the new one that just came out? Ghost and Watchmen. Let me have points for that one. Ghost and Watchmen. We will do the Ronin Saga. I'll say that one. Let's see. Let's do Twin Tower, Lord of the Rings. So there's The Hobbit. There is blanking on names. Wow. I'll do Seahorse. I'll do Here There Be Dragons.
Nice.
and I'm out of time.
Oh,
so,
that's good.
Well, thank you. I always forget how hard it is.
It's so hard. I know.
So it's terrible.
No, you did great.
Thank you.
The more books you read, the harder it is.
Yeah,
that's what I think. The other people are like, I got 6 books I can read. The other ones are like, and they're all like falling on your hands.
I know.
So fun.
That was fun. So thank you for sitting down and giving me a chance to interview you a little bit on the book and do that challenge quiz.
My pleasure. I can't wait for people to check out the saga, and I love chatting about it.
Thanks. And if you want people to find you on social media, do you have any links that you want to leave?
I am really, really good at all the old social media. No, I'm pretty good. I'm Facebook. I'm an old man Facebook. So facebook.com/Ronin Saga. It's a huge way. I really interact with fans with my Roninites. Twitter, Ronin Saga, @Ronin Saga, and then social media for as far as Instagram, Wolf_Writer.
And if you guys missed those, I'll leave them all in the description below so you guys can check those out. And that's all I got for you guys today. So if you guys haven't checked out those links, then you definitely should. And we will be back to talk to you guys later.